Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you around with me while I go yarn shopping. My husband just took the dogs out and I am still in my pajamas and it's like almost 3. So I'm gonna get ready. I think Michael's has a 20% off your entire purchase coupon today, which is good from 3 to close. So we're gonna go and I'm going to get some yarn that I need for a project. And I'm also gonna pick up some yarn that I need to make some cactuses because it's that season again. It's been snowing and cold and icy and the roads have been bad for like the past 4 days. So I've been cooped up inside. So I'm really excited to go yarn shopping finally so I can finish some projects that I've started. I think we're also gonna drop by Hobby Lobby because I like to get my terracotta pots there for my cactuses. I'll also take you around with me there. It's gonna be a little weird. This is like my first like vlog going out into public with my husband, so I don't think he's gonna be too judgmental. He totally supports this, but it's still gonna be awkward. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can and as I feel comfortable getting. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get myself looking a little bit more presentable to go out into public and we're gonna go. So I will see you in a little bit. Bye. Alright, so we are in the car now. We just stopped at the gas station to get some beverages. It's just like part of our little routine when we go shopping. So I'm waiting on my husband to get back in the car and we're going to head to the other side of town to go shopping and I'm really excited. But yeah, I also might do like a little time lapse on our way there. We'll see. It might be really gross and like dirty snow, but if it's pretty snow, I'll include a time lapse here. They're on sale. I'm so excited.
Should say on the tag.
Showing 3, call 13.
You just want the big one?
Well, I'm gonna get all the sizes. I just want to make sure they're not broken.
Yeah. This one you only tell the rims top and bottom, right?
Yeah,
That's a good
pretty
one.
much. That's a good one.
Yeah, the bottom one's alright.
Is that one good?
No.
What about that darker one?
It looks like the added clay worked.
Awesome. Alright guys, so we just went into Hobby Lobby. I didn't really film a lot because it was a really quick trip. Like I said, we were just getting some terracotta pots, but now we are headed to Michael's to get the real good stuff. So I will see you when we get there. Oh yeah, those are really cool.
They got these little decorative pebbles and stuff.
That would be really cool for cacti. Look, these are like...
Yeah, like grass moss looking stuff. That's cool. Oh, here's all these twinkle lights too.
Oh yeah, they're way more expensive than Target though.
They're also brighter.
Yeah, like it'd be cool to put some in here. You would definitely have to do like the that stuff. I couldn't like crochet a bottom, but
This is
yeah,
cool.
these rocks, those are babies.
Yeah. There's also,
Oh, that's
like,
not badly priced either.
moss and stuff down there.
Or like, look.
Oh, okay. Little sticks. Cool. If you look up here, there's shells.
Oh, that's really neat. They're so cute. Oh, you can buy like the moss pads. Oh wow, these are so cute.
I think that's just made out of concrete.
I think so too.
We should just make our own concrete.
Hey, I'd be down if you did that.
I would like these things.
These. See, theirs here are 49 cents a piece for the tiny ones. like that, which I really like these, but you can get the 6-packs at Hobby Lobby for like half the price. You can get so many. But they do have slightly different sizes. I heard that there's new yarn out, so I really want to look and see if I can find them. They just threw them in like bins like this. That's crazy. This looks a lot like Red Heart. It's Premiere, which is really cool. That's what they were talking about. Look how big this is.
Oh, shit.
It's like bigger than my head. I think these are 100% acrylic.
Those are pretty colors.
Yeah, these are the...
Is that the chunky cake?
Yeah, these are the new ones. I heard that these just came out like today or something. They're 100% acrylic. I need to get some impeccable, and it's on sale today. Look at this, $2. Yay, and I think I have a 20% off coupon. That's good. So we're going to get some cacti making yarn. Ooh, they only have one left. It's mine. Let's get some brown. I think this might be too bright, don't you? For a cacti?
I don't know. They come in all sorts of different colors. I think you can get away with.
Okay. I think I might, and then I could put the paint on it. Sometimes I like to paint the...
Yeah. I mean, I think you could even get a blue. There's that teal right there.
I think I have some of that color. Probably don't have it.
Did you see it out in that bin?
Yeah, it's supposed to be right here, but it's out. So let's go look out there. And oh yeah, let's pull up the shoes. I'm gonna run out to the front and see if they have it. No gray marble here. So I came in specifically for Lion Brand Thick and Quick and Gray Marble, and it looks like they are all sold out. Typical. I'm determined because I don't want to run to Joann's. We were just over there, so I'm gonna check the drawers one more time. So I searched everywhere, and the only color that they're out of is Gray Marble, which is the only one I need. So I think that we're gonna have to go to Joann's too, which is a bit of a bummer. I did get some colors for cactuses, so that's good. But I will check in with you guys when we figure out what we're gonna do. All right, so we just got out of Michael's and with a little bit of an issue, but it's all good. We got our yarn, and I think we're gonna head to Joann's now because I have to get the yarn to finish the project. It was the reason we came out and went yarn shopping today, so it's a must-do thing. So unfortunately, we have to go somewhere else, but we'll get it, hopefully. And then we'll go home and I'll show you everything that I got.
Here we go again. Another yarn store
Look at this, babe.
with more cacti.
Okay, the store is the charm. We're gonna get what we need. But first, we have to look at faux furs, see if they have anything new. See some new stuff. Okay, everybody always asks where I get my faux fur, and I just go to Joann's. This is where I get it. I have a huge Joann's here, so look at this blue. It's actually quite nice. I'm very picky when it comes to what fur I choose, so I don't usually like a lot of it. Thick and Quick is on sale, and I'm going to use that 20% off Michael's coupon. So we're going to get two to be on the safe side so I don't have to come back. Obviously, you have to look around first. Here's another tip: if you're at a Joann's and you're at like a super Joann's like we are here, you have to look everywhere for faux fur.
They hide it.
They do hide it, and sometimes if you don't, they have like colors that they don't have on the floor up here. Some of these are duplicates of what they have on the floor already, but they're happy to get it down for you if you want it. We got the goods.
Let's bounce.
Obviously, this is my favorite section of Joann's nowadays, the Wool and the Gang yarn. It's so nice. I love it. It looks like it's pretty picked over right now, but it's a really nice section. Definitely check your Joann's if you're looking for it. Mine is in the very, very, very back aisle. It's kind of hidden. Like I said, we got what I came for, finally. And I think we're going to head out because I am on a current like buy no yarn unless it's absolutely necessary kick for my resolution because we're moving and I want to get rid of a lot of my yarn before we move. We're headed to checkout and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. We just left Joann's and I got what I needed and a few more things, obviously. It was super quick and good. Everybody was like, I haven't seen you in here for a while. It's part of my New Year's resolution to not buy as much yarn because I do not need it and I won't use it. So now we're gonna go get lunch, go home, and I am going to show you guys what I got. You pretty much saw everything. I did get a few extra things at Joann's while I was in the checkout line. They always get ya, but I'll see you in a little bit. Guys, so I'm home now. It's been a little while. We ate lunch and then we watched an episode of The Office. And I worked on editing this video a little bit, but I wanted to go ahead and show you what I picked up today on our little shopping trip to the craft stores. As you saw, the first place we went was Hobby Lobby, and I just got some terracotta pots because I'm going to start making my cactuses again in preparation for springtime. So my favorite place to get terracotta pots is Hobby Lobby because they're so cheap, and if you can catch them on sale, so they were on sale today, so I got them for 50% off. I always get the 3 different sizes that they have, and they come in sets of 6. So these are the small ones, and they're $1.99, and I got them for 50% off today. And then I got the larger ones, which are $3.99 regular price, but again, they were on sale. And then I got the medium size, which is $2.99. And like I said, these come in sets of 6, so you get quite a bit. And if you saw in the video, I went to Michael's and showed you the price that they are at Michael's. So you can see that they're significantly cheaper at Hobby Lobby. The thing about these is you do need to make sure they're not broken before you buy them. I've bought plenty of broken terracotta pots because I didn't check them before I just grabbed them and went. So just be very careful with that. Alright, and the next place we went was Michael's. I just got a couple of skeins of yarn. You guys saw in the video I picked up some stuff for cactuses. I ran out of some of my green yarn, so I just picked some up. This is the Impeccable yarn. It was on sale today for $2, so that was awesome. And then I used a 20% off coupon. But I got 2 colors of green. This one is in Deep Forest. This one is in Kelly Green. And then I got a brown, which is in Chocolate. And my husband saw this kaleidoscope yarn and he really liked it. It's just this blue color. And if you guys don't know, this is being discontinued. So it's on clearance right now for $3. So I went ahead and picked it up, and this is in Black Pearl. So I'm really excited about this. I really like the color. I forgot to mention, all of those terracotta pots that I got from Hobby Lobby, my total ended up being $5 and some change. So that's an incredible deal. I got so many pots to make cactuses with. And then at Michael's, I think I ended up spending around $8, which was even better. And as you guys saw, Michael's didn't have the color of Lion Brand Thick and Quick that I needed, so I ended up having to go back to Joann's. We went to Joann's and I picked up 2 of the colors that I needed to finish my sweater. I'm working on a pattern right now for you, so keep your eyes out for that. I picked up the rest of the yarn that I needed for that sweater, just in gray marble. This was on sale for $6.99, and then I used a 20% off coupon for that. And then I was standing in the checkout line and I saw some really, really cute stuff there. They have a bunch of cactus stuff right now and I couldn't resist. I hadn't picked up this retractable tape measure, which just has this nice floral print on it. I believe it was only $3, so that was a really great deal. And then I saw this little case here on clearance. This is from the scrapbooking section apparently, and it was only $5. But I thought it would be really good to put my circular knitting needles in, the ones that don't have a place to go, just so I could take them easier with me on the go. And I think at Joann's I spent around $18, so not a bad deal at all. Alright guys, and that is everything that I bought today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any requests or questions that you may have, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you later.